Hey guys, so there was a new update regards the Hulu not working on PS5, and I've just found this Reddit thread for like more than 200 comments 2 months ago, which is insane. And I just wanted to share with you what you can try to do, and this is something that I found here. So if it's not working, just try to like completely restart Hulu altogether, and it should work again. Also, like completely turn it off, wait for like, I don't even know if it's going to help you, so try to just like restart the Hulu. Maybe it's going to help. I was like looking on like what you can do, but it's a mess. So then power cycle your PS5. The update is in fact trash, but it's fixed for me. Turn off PS5, unplug PS5, plug it back in, turn on PS5. So yeah. And many people are reporting that it's not working. So have a great day guys, and goodbye.